Hey guys, for today's video I found a whole bunch more gadgets, except the CVV have sent me this one, so 3 knives. I love CVV knives. They're also on Amazon. I'll put links in the description to all of the products that are available on Amazon. They're going to be affiliated, so I get small commission. But this one is Bachelteer. The name of it, really not sure how to pronounce it. There's different colors starting from 108, no, from 75 to 108, but that would be Damascus. So, ooh, 10 years anniversary. That is cool. Let's see what we got. Right here is the specification: green burlap micarta handle, and the steel is this one. It's supposed to be pretty good steel. Let's see. Ooh, black on navy green. I like that. And on top of it, it is a big knife. That is cool. I think this is perfect for like camping. Yeah, definitely more of a camping knife. Liner lock. This is so smooth. Doesn't take much to flick it out. Incredibly smooth. That's what I'm saying. There is a flicker or thumb studs, either way. Any markings on the blade? I don't see it. Awesome. Okay, what else? Storm Howl, milled bright blue aluminum handle, a satin flat, stained flat, stained finish Nitro V blade. Ooh, Nitro V is going to be one of the best steels for the knife to have. At least the wall of it as well. Let's see, which one is that? This one starts from 88 to 111. Beautiful. They're all going to be Nitro V's, except Damascus would be more expensive. Okay, let's open it up, see what it's all about. Comes with the swag, all the stickers. I love those stickers, knife stickers. Yeah, aluminum handle. I have one like that, and there's a little button lock. And I had a black on this kind of like aluminum striped handle. I can press it, let go, open it. So it's like a button lock, flicker. That's awesome. Very lightweight because it's aluminum. But yeah, Nitro V blade is great. Love that. Okay, and one more. Let's see what this one is all about. This is Sandy. Ooh, I have just filmed the Sandy before. This is the milled black G10 handle and Nitro V blade. Let's see how much this one go for. There's different colors. The black one would be 73, green, orange, and another green would be 75 to 77, so fluctuate a little bit. But yeah, what's so special about Sandy? I think it has the toothpick or like a pick and the tweezers in the back of the handle. Let's see. I like that design. Anytime there's a multi-purpose of a knife, beautiful. There's the designer logo. Let's see if it'll focus. There it is. And yeah, right here, all I have to do is just pull it out, toothpick or little pick, and nice tweezers. Okay, if I want to put it away, simply just slide it in. This is very sharp. So, boom, liner lock. What I love about that knife, it is not like a regular flipper right here. It's like points up, so it's so easy to grab it and flick it. Almost like a top flipper. Never seen anything like that. Super cool. Next, I got it here, iodine swabs. Iodine disinfection solution. So individual wrapped, so I can grab as many as I want. Disinfection, cleaning, and convenient hygiene. Pretty awesome. Okay, I love the storage it comes with, but if I wanna, oh, there's two of them, nice. If I wanna just bring with me couple to go camping, whatever, survival backpack. Ooh, interesting. I like that. So I would squeeze them out. So I could just take one, I could take 5 and bring it with me. There's a whole all of them. That is cool. But the cool thing, even better than I thought it was going to be, the iodine is actually sits inside of the straw. That is pretty unique. Let's see, it fits back in here. It does, super easy. Nice. So let's grab something, put it on this piece of paper and see how it works. Let's see. It's pointing over here to kind of open it, but that's why we have a knife. Easier to open it with a knife, I think. Let's see. It's supposed to be kind of easy to pull it out, but there you go. Knife make it easier. Okay, so there's Q-tips and the iodine on the inside. Let's try this out. How does this work? I have no idea. Oh, okay, I have to kind of break through it on one side. It says polydisulfonyl copper iodine 5% and all that. Ooh, expiration date. Okay, so break it on one side right here. Whoops. Completely broke it off. And now it's pouring it down. Ooh, that is cool. So I'm glad I read the instructions. And then I could apply it on whatever to disinfect it. Very cool. And if I need more than one, there it is. I like it. Yeah. You just break through it. It's like some kind of plastic. And it pulls out on the other side. Got here Faraday bags, and there's a different sizes. It's to block any kind of signal to receive to the cell phone, so that way it cannot be damaged or just to cannot be tracked. There's different reasons why cannot be hacked. So, or especially when sleeping, I don't want anybody to bother me. So maybe I want to stick my phone instead of airplane mode. I don't even have to worry about that, because even though it's in the airplane mode, it still receives the signal, or it could be like access to it. But with this kind of bags, it blocks all of the signal. There's instructional, cool. There's one layer baggie. Ooh, I can go put it in this way, or the doubled it. It has this kind of like metal mesh, so I can have multiple items in here. Zip it, block it, boom, and the signal will be completely lost. That is awesome. So if I want to track my phone with my other phone, I will not be able to find it on the GPS because it cannot be received any signal. And if we like extra and we want to get double, I could put the same little bag and double it up. I don't think it's necessary, but that is for laptops, or I can just double it up, fit into the biggest one. I have pretty big laptop, 17 inches. This one will fit 17 inches laptop pretty easily. High quality, I love that. So that way, in case of the certain like signal to damage the technology, it will not be reached to my technology, and they stay good working. Talking about EMP signals and so on, boom. But anyways, that's it. 17 inches laptop fits in there really good. Love it. High quality bags for sure. And whoa, there's a little hanger right here, so I can grab it to go and completely sealed and blocked up. I like it. Okay, and for the last one, this is a bathtub water storage. Emergency water storage. Let's go in the bathtub and see what it looks like. Comes with the pump and a big plastic bag. Okay, it will hold 65 gallon 65 gallon tub, so it will hold 65 gallons of drinkable water. It's PBA free. Okay, let's unfold it. This bathtub is kind of small, but that makes sense. You'll keep any bathtub, will just take less on the water. Okay. Looks like at the end over here, all it is a little ziplock. Totally different compared to before. Okay. That will go into here. That is quite easy actually to put in. Okay, and we're going to turn it on. Probably going to do the cold. We don't need hot water. There you go. Okay, it's actually fairly easy. I have high pressure out here, so I think it'll fill up super fast. Love it. This is actually so easy to put in and slide it in and fill it up. Should probably kind of lay it out flat so it fills up evenly. But yeah, my bathtub looks like a bit smaller in this bathroom than 65 gallons, but that's okay. Okay, I think it's full enough for demonstration. Let's turn it off. And this I would have to fill up and move it to the side end here. So that's probably a good idea to pull this a little higher than the back over there. Okay, then I have here a ziplock. Then I close the ziplock bag and the water secured store in there. If I need water, all I have to do is bring my pump in, open the ziplock bag, put the pump in, put the pump in the water, and that's it. Okay, let's see if I can pump it. Oh yeah, it's pumping really good. Wow, that's a good flow. Knocking off the bucket almost. I love it. Very nice pump. Look at that. That's amazing. And I can even top it off slowly by pushing it slowly. Amazing. And whenever I'm done, take off the pump and seal the bag again, and we have the storage of 65 gallons of water. Pretty awesome, I like it.